Welcome guys, so today I am with the Nothing Ear 1 and I'm going to show you how you can charge them wireless. Okay, first of all you have to remember to put both earbuds to the case. You have to stick them to the pins right here. Then simply close the case and put it on your charger. So let me do this right now. When you put it correctly, this indicator inside will turn to the red or the green. It depends on the currently percentage of your battery. When it's on the red, it means that the case itself is below the 50%. When it go above the 50%, it will turn to the green. And it doesn't matter the watts of the charger, the cable that you plug in or the brick. They will anyway charge at the maximum speed. Their maximum speed. So just don't mind about that. You can use, for example, your phone, cable and the brick. So yeah, that's all. If you find this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.